morning, the Duncan porter did not notice the tiger. He thought it was still a donkey, and he tied the tree in front of his house and went into the house to sleep. The next morning, what happened? See, next morning, the villagers who passed the porter's house looked at amazingly the tiger tied to the tree. So all the villagers who was passing by saw the tiger in front of his house and they were surprised. Who were surprised? Villagers. Why they were surprised? There was a tiger in front of the porter's house. So everybody was surprised. Soon the news spread throughout the village that the porter caught a tiger and tied it to a tree in his yard. Soon this message spread. What was the message? The porter brought a tiger and tied it to a tree. It was spread all over the village. తొందరగానే గ్రామం కదమ్మా అంతా వ్యాపించింది. పోర్టరు టైగర్ని తెచ్చాడు, తను కట్టేశాడు ఇంటి ముందు అని. All villages praised his courage. All the villagers praised his courage. What did they do? They praised his courage. What was the courage? He brought a tiger to the house. What a dare! Everybody was wondering. అందరూ ఆశ్చర్యపోతూ ఉన్నారు ఇదంతా చర్యకి. They thanked him because the tiger had eaten many of their goats and buffaloes. From so many days, this tiger was eating their buffaloes and goats. So now they have no fear of their animals. So they thanked. Who thanked him? Villagers thanked him. Why? He saved from the tiger their animals and buffaloes. అమ్మయ్య, చాలా రోజుల నుంచి మా బఫెల్లోస్ని గోడ్స్ని తినేస్తుంది ఈ టైగరు. అమ్మయ్య, దీన్ని పట్టేసుకున్నాడు, ఇక్కడి నుంచి కాపాడుకోవచ్చు, జాగ్రత్త పడవచ్చు అనుకున్నారు. They had tried catch for many years but had failed. Who had tried many years? The villagers tried to catch the tiger, but they failed. What they failed? To catch the tiger. What the tiger was doing? It was eating all the goats and buffaloes in the village. Of course, the porter said that he had done nothing of the sort. మొత్తుకుంటున్నాడు పోటర్, అయ్యా బాబు నేనేం చేయలేదు, నాకేం తెలియదు అని అంటున్నాడు. దట్ హీ హ్యాడ్ డన్ నథింగ్ సార్ట్. హీ డిడ్ నాట్ బ్రింగ్ ద టైగర్, హీ ఓన్లీ బ్రాట్ ద donkey. He was going on telling. He said that he had only brought his donkey home. So what he was saying? When anybody asks his braveness, what he was saying? Simply, I brought a donkey to my home. I don't know how it became the tiger. నేను తెచ్చిన గాడిదనే, అది ఎట్లా టైగర్ అయిందో నాకు తెలియటం లేదు. He did not understand how the donkey could change into tiger. అర్థమై చావట్లేదు నాకు, నేను తెచ్చిన గాడిద తెల్లారపాటికి ఎలా అయింది, టైగర్గా మారింది ఏంటి. He did not know who porter. What he did not know? He did not know how the donkey became tiger. The next morning, when he saw the tiger, he fainted. He came out and saw the tiger in front of his house. He fainted. What happened to porter when he saw the tiger in front of his house? He fainted in fear. భయంతో మూర్చపోయాడు. చూసి చూడగానే ఏమైంది, భయంతో మూర్చపోయాడు. Nobody, however, believed that porter's story. So nobody means no villager believed the porter's story. He was telling truth. I bought only donkey. I did not know how it became tiger. But nobody was believing about his words. They strongly believed he had brought the tiger. The villagers even praised him, being modest. అబ్బా, ఇంకా పైపేసి దే ప్రైజ్డ్ హిమ్ అబౌట్ హిస్ సింప్లిసిటీ. ఎంత విరోచితంగా టైగర్ని తెచ్చి ఎంత కామ్గా, ఎంత చక్కగా తేనట్టుగా ప్రవర్తిస్తున్నాడు అని, మోడెస్ట్గా ఉంటున్నాడు అని మెచ్చుకున్నారు. ఇక పైపెచ్చు డంబాలు బలగటం లేదని. Soon the poacher became famous. So he became famous for his braveness. అతని ధైర్య సాహసాలు ప్రఖ్యాతి పొందినాయి అన్నమాట, నలుమూలలు వ్యాపించాయి. He became famous person as a bravest person in the village. గ్రామంలోనే ధైర్యశ్రీ పేరు వచ్చింది. Everybody who met him called him. Everybody who met him called him brave poacher. In village, any person when they meet him, they told him, they praised him as brave person. ఎవరన్నా కలవండి వాళ్ళు అతన్ని ఓ ధైర్యశాలి అని పిలుస్తున్నారు. What did the village call him as? Brave person. Who was the brave person in the village? The porter. Why did he was called as brave person? Why did he call as brave person? Because he bought a tiger. Who thought like that? Villagers. But actually what happened? In drunken porter did not notice it was a tiger in the darkness. He thought it was a donkey. The simple porter himself never understood why. The simple porter himself never understood why. He could not understood why all these people are calling me as brave man, brave man. I am telling truth, but they did not believe me. Why? He questioned himself. So, a few years later, war broke out between the porter's country and a much strong neighbor. So, a few years later, war broke out. War started. Broke out means started. Between Porter's country and his neighbor strong country. పక్కనే ఉన్న దేశం బలమైన దేశంతో తలపడింది. యుద్ధం వచ్చింది రెండింటి మధ్య. అతను ఉండే దేశం మధ్య ప్రక్కనుండి ఇంకో బలమైన శక్తిమైన దేశం మధ్య వచ్చింది యుద్ధం. The king immediately gathered a large army. The king of the Porter's village gathered a large army. Immediately to fight, the king gathered army. What did the king do when the war broke out? He gathered a large army. But he realized that it was not enough to save his country from defeat. So, but he realized, although he gathered all the people for the battle, but he know it was not enough to save his country. To save the country from the defeat. అపజయాల నుంచి కాపాడుకోవాలంటే ఇది చాలదు, ఈ సైన్యము చాలదు. తను అప్పటికే చాలా మంది సేకరించాడు ఆర్మీకి, కానీ చాలరు. హూ నోస్ దట్? కింగ్. వై డిడ్ హీ నో ద థింక్ లైక్ దట్? బికాస్ ద నైబర్హుడ్ కంట్రీ ఈజ్ స్ట్రాంగ్ కంట్రీ. విచ్ కంట్రీ? స్ట్రాంగ్. పక్కది పొరుగు రాజ్యం సామాన్యమైనది కాదు, బలమైన రాజ్యం అది. The king hurriedly called his ministers together. So for the salvation, the king called his ministers. వెంటనే సమస్య పరిష్కారం కోసం రాజుగారు ఏం చేశారు? మంత్రులందరినీ సమావేశపరిచారు. Called his ministers and asked advice. How to do, what to do, how to follow to attack the neighbor country. ఏం చేయాలి, ఎట్లా చేయాలి, సలహాలు ఇవ్వమని మంత్రుల్ని అడిగారు. ఎవరు? ద కింగ్. ఈ గ్యాదర్డ్ ఆల్ ద మినిస్టర్స్. ఈ కాల్డ్ ఆల్ ద మినిస్టర్స్ అండ్ హెల్డ్ ఎ మీటింగ్ హౌ టు ఫేస్ దట్ నైబర్ కంట్రీ. దాన్ని ఎలా ఫేస్ చేయాలో అడిగాడు. వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మినిస్టర్ రిమెంబర్డ్ ద స్టోరీ ఆఫ్ ద బ్రేవ్ పోర్టర్. One of the ministers suddenly remembered the story of brave porter. And who remembered? One of the minister. What did he remember? The story of brave porter. ధైర్యమైనటువంటి కుమ్మరి అతని కథ గుర్తొచ్చింది వెంటనే. ఇది గ్రామం జరిగింది కదా అది. యువర్ మెజెస్టీ, ద మినిస్టర్ సెడ్, ఐ నో సమ్వన్ హూ కెన్ లీడ్ అవర్ ఆర్మీ. ఇమీడియట్లీ హీ ఆన్సర్డ్ ద కింగ్, యువర్ మెజెస్టీ. యువర్ మెజెస్టీ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ హానరబుల్ కాల్. అంటే మహారాజా. ఐ నో సమ్వన్ హూ కెన్ లీడ్ అవర్ ఆర్మీ. I know someone. Someone means porter. Who can lead our army? A brave person was there in our village. He can lead army. What he can do? He can lead army. Who told? Who told? One of the minister. The king immediately sent a messenger to the porter's house. Messenger means Vartakarudu. Immediately what the king do? When minister said there was a brave person in the village, immediately called for him. Sent the messenger to the porter's house. Where did the king send the messenger? To the porter's house. Why? To call the porter. When the porter When the porter realized, then he had been made general of the army. So they had taken him to the king. The king said to him that he was going to make him as general army. So the porter realized. What did the porter realize? The king was going to make him as the general of the army. సైన్యానికి జనరల్గా చేస్తున్నానని చెప్పినప్పుడు మునిగిపోయాడు ఎవరో పోర్టర్. హీ బికేమ్ ఫ్రైటెన్, హారిఫైడ్, మామూలుగా కాదు, వణికిపోయాడు, భయపడిపోయాడు. ద కింగ్ హ్యాడ్ ordered him to go to the palace the next day. So he said to him not to go for village, you go to palace and you have to go to war for the next day. తర్వాత రోజు యుద్ధానికి వెళ్ళాలి, నువ్వు ప్యాలెస్లోనే ఉండాలని చెప్పాడు. What did the king say to the porter? The porter had to stay in the palace and to go for the war next day. How could he, a poor ignorant porter, became the general of the army? He questioned himself. How could a poor ignorant porter became the general of the army? ఎలా ఒక అజ్ఞాని, ఏమీ తెలియని అజ్ఞాని జనరల్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆర్మీ ఎట్లా అవుతాడు? ఎలా సాధ్యము? హూ క్వశ్చన్డ్? పోర్టర్ క్వశ్చన్డ్ హిమ్సెల్ఫ్. He had worried. He never carried a sword, nor had he ever ridden a horse. So see, he had never carried a sword. I don't know how to hold a sword, and I don't know how to ride a horse. How could I be the general of the army? So questioning himself, I don't know how to hold a sword. I never hold a sword. I don't know how to hold it also. And I don't know how to ride a horse. Then how could fight in the army? He was horrified. He was frightened. భయపడిపోయాడు. నాకు కత్తి పట్టుకోవడం రాదు, గుర్రం దాల్చడం రాదు, స్వారీ చేయటం రాదు, నా పరిస్థితి ఏంటి? Oh, I shall die because of the stupid donkey. Oh, I shall die because of the stupid donkey, groaned the porter to his wife. When he returned to home, he was very angry and said, oh, I shall die because of this stupid donkey. Who will die? Porter. Why will he die? He did not know how to fight with the enemies with the sword and riding the horse. Oh, I will die. ఐఎమ్ ఫిక్స్ అంటే నేను డైల్మాలో పడిపోయాను. నేను ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు? వద్దు, తెలీదు అంటే ఊరుకోడు రాజు, తెలిసిన యుద్ధంకి వెళ్ళాలంటే నాకు భయం. ఏం చేయాలి? ఈ తిక్క ముండ వల్ల నాకు ఇన్ని బాధలు వచ్చి పడ్డాయి. స్టూపిడ్ డాంకీ, బుద్ధి లేని ఈ డాంకీ వల్ల నాకు ఎన్ని కష్టాలు అని తిట్టడం మొదలుపెట్టాడు కోపంగా. టు హూమ్ హి సెడ్, వైఫ్. He has only brought us troubles. That foolish donkey only made us to fall in troubles. Us means porter and his wife. So, because of this donkey only, we fell in troubles. What to do, how to do, was going on thinking and frightening. The next day, he went with his wife to the capital. So he went. Capital అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? రాజుగారి దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి, ఆస్థానం దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాడు. Capital. The king was pleased to see him and ordered the porter to lead the army into battle the next day. The king was very much pleased seeing the brave porter, and he ordered him to lead the army and fight with the enemies the next day. So battle means yuddham. So the porter had to lead the army as a general of the army. నిన్ను సైన్యానికి పెద్దగా చేస్తున్నాను, వెళ్ళి పాల్పడు అని చెప్పాడు. The enemy were not far from the gates of the city. ఊరి పొలిమేరలో ఉన్నారు. Where were the enemies? They were in the they were in the gates of the city. ఊరి పొలిమేరల్లోనే ఉన్నారు వాళ్ళు. A splendid house had been prepared for the porter and his wife. So they made arrangement to live for the porter and his wife. A house, splendid house had been prepared. Which house? Splendid. చాలా మంచి ఇల్లు నివాసం ఉండడానికి ఇచ్చారు. The horse which would carry him into battle was ready in the stable. Stable అంటే గుర్రపుశాల. గుర్రపుశాలలో రెడీగా ఉంది. What was ready? Horse. It was going to fight. With that horse only, on that horse only he was going to fight with his enemies. So the horse was ready in the stable. పశుశాలలో ఏముంది? గుర్రం రెడీగా ఉంది. సో అన్ని ఏర్పాట్లు అయిపోయాయి. వస్తువులన్నీ ఏర్పరిచారు, యుద్ధానికి కూడా అన్ని సిద్ధపరిచారు. The night the porter could not sleep. విశాలమైన ఇల్లు, భోగభాగ్యాలతో ఉన్న ఇల్లు ఉంది, కానీ he could not sleep well. He was frightened. He was going on thinking, how could I fight? I don't know how to hold a sword, how to ride a horse. Oh God, serve me what to do, how to escape this horrible situation. He was going on thinking. The king was nervous and worried because he did not know how to ride a horse. So he was very much worried. He did not know how to ride a horse. What to do? That night, Porter could not sleep. He was nervous and worried because he did not know how to ride a horse. If I fall off, everybody laugh at me, he thought. What did the porter think? When I was ready to climb the horse, if I fall, everybody laughed at me.